Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today's video is all about the series that I have going on called A Doll a Week. Alright, like I said in other videos, I'm doing a whole bunch of Doll a Week videos. Got a bunch of them in this bag. Let's see who's next. Oh, Grape. How many of you heard of Grape before? She's a little kiddle. Well, she's a kiddle. Anyway, I'll look her up and give you some more information and show you her. All right, it says Kola Kiddle on there. If you can, let me take her out, maybe probably see it better. See, it says Kola with a K and then Kiddle with a K. Grape. She's by Mattel. She's in pretty good condition. I did play with her. It says Grape is a 2-inch tall miniature doll released by Mattel in 1967, so I was still pretty young, as part of the Kola Kiddle line within the Little Kiddles collection. Now, I do remember I had another little kiddle, and so did my sister, Tammy. Mine was pink. I think it was Sweet Pea or something like that. I believe Tammy's was yellow. I don't know if she still has that or not. She's a collectible vintage figurine characterized by her grape-themed outfit, purple eyes. Ooh, yeah, she got purple eyes. And her packaging inside a clear soda pop bottle. In the South here, we call it a Coke bottle. It doesn't matter if it's Coke or not. So this looks like it's a stand. It doesn't really work very well. I'm afraid if I stick it in there too far, I may break her leg. So let me see. Let me put her like this. And then stick the bottom on there. There we go. There she is. And she cute. Now I have to say, purple used to be like my most favorite color. Right now, it's one of my most favorite colors. I have lots of favorite colors. So I'm thinking 1967, I would have been 8. So I probably did play with her quite a bit. If I remember correctly, I played with her and my Barbie dolls together. But have y'all ever heard of any of the little kiddles or the Kola Kiddles? Let me know down in the comment section below. And let me know if you had one, who it was. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.